Hey everyone, let's make double cheese sausage and bacon pizza. Roll the pizza dough into a bowl, coat it with olive oil, cover and let it rest for 1 hour. Cut the burger slices into smaller pieces. Chop the bacon, slice the brown onion, and cut up the red and yellow capsicum. Now let's cook the onion until it's caramelized. Cook the Italian sausage until evenly done. Then slice it up. Cook the bacon until nice and crunchy. Roll out pizza dough to your desired thickness. Coat the dough lightly with olive oil and spread the pizza sauce evenly. Now sprinkle the remaining Happy Valley mozzarella cheese and burger slices on top. Bake for 15 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. And that's it! Double cheese, sausage and bacon pizza. Cheesy, smoky and absolutely delicious.